I'm recording some birds. I want to see gravity power in action, holding things down, and things mean anything. So there's nothing to be able to go up. So I want to get the totality of them. And plus I love to see them fly off in groups, in flocks. It is a spectacular sight. Let me get down on that level. Called ground level. And I am disturbing them a little bit, but not too much. Again, a stupid man, and I hated disturbing them for my stupidity. So I apologize to the little birds, but gravity doesn't exist at all. It doesn't hold anything down but people's stupid minds. So I apologize, birds. Please do not crap on me or anything about me. Much love to my beautiful girls and their parents and the superpower of the human race. The girl. And for anybody who has pure, honest, factual knowledge. And I'm going to show you that I am the superior human being, athletically, intellectually, however you want it. And it's not gravitational or NASA-ness. And there are still no planets where in the sky somebody has told a gigantic lie. The lie is what bigger than Jupiter. NASA, please stop screaming at her.